In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy checklists in Trello. By the end, you'll be able to duplicate an existing checklist into any Trello card quickly and cleanly, without rebuilding items one by one. Start by opening the destination card, the card where you want the copied checklist to live. Click the card on your board to bring up its detail view. This is where all the card's features appear, including attachments, comments, and the options to add more content. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the Add to Card section. Click Checklist. This opens a small pop-up where you can create a brand new checklist or copy an existing one. Using this window keeps everything organized and ensures the checklist lands exactly where you want it. In that pop-up, find the Copy Items from drop-down menu and click it. This is the key to reusing your work. The menu shows checklists you have access to, and it lists them with the original card name and the checklist title. That way, if you have several checklists with similar names, you can identify the right one by the card it came from. Now, select the checklist you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct source by checking both the card name and the checklist title in the list. This helps avoid bringing in the wrong set of tasks, especially on busy boards with lots of cards. Before adding, you can give your new checklist a title. This is optional, but it's a great way to keep things tidy. For example, you might use a clear label like Launch Prep, Tasks, or mirror the source title so you always know what it contains. When you're ready, click Add. Trello instantly creates the checklist on your destination card with all the items copied over. Once it appears, review the items and make any quick edits you need. Rename items, remove anything you don't need, or reorder tasks to match the workflow on this card. If you don't immediately see the checklist, scroll down within the card. It will be listed with your other checklists and can be expanded or collapsed for clarity. That's it. You've copied a checklist into a Trello card using the built-in copy items from feature, saving time and keeping your process consistent across cards and projects. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps. And consider subscribing for more straightforward productivity tips. Let us know in the comments what you think of the video and what we can do to improve it. Your feedback helps us make better guides for you.